Hello everyone, you are watching Indian Cars 360, the place where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the Indian automobile world. If you love futuristic cars, electric vehicles, and upcoming launches, then make sure you subscribe and stay connected with us. Today we are going to talk about one of the most awaited electric SUVs of 2026, the Toyota Urban Cruiser EV, a car that is expected to change the game in the compact electric SUV segment in India. The Toyota Urban Cruiser EV is designed for modern Indian buyers who want a stylish, powerful, and eco-friendly vehicle without compromising on comfort and reliability. Toyota has already built a strong reputation in India with its hybrid technology, and now with the Urban Cruiser EV, the brand is stepping fully into the electric future. This SUV is expected to attract young buyers, city users, and families who are looking for a smart and premium electric car in a compact size. When you first look at the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV, it feels bold, modern, and futuristic. The front design is expected to be very sharp with a closed grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a wide LED light bar that gives it a strong road presence. The bumper will look sporty and aggressive, giving the car a proper SUV feel even though it is an electric vehicle. The side profile will be smooth and clean with stylish alloy wheels, strong shoulder lines, and flush door handles that improve aerodynamics. At the back, you can expect connected LED tail lamps, a sporty roof spoiler, and a clean EV badge that shows it is part of Toyota's electric family. Inside the cabin, the Urban Cruiser EV is expected to feel very premium and tech-focused. Toyota will most likely offer a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it easy to connect your phone and enjoy music, navigation, and calls. The digital instrument cluster will show all important driving information like speed, battery level, range, and power usage. The dashboard design will be clean and modern, with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting to give a premium feel. The seats are expected to be comfortable and supportive, making long drives easy and relaxing. Space will be one of the strong points of the Toyota Urban Cruiser EV. Even though it is a compact SUV, the smart electric platform will allow more cabin space because there is no big engine. This means more legroom, more headroom, and a flat floor in the rear, making it more comfortable for 3 passengers to sit at the back. The boot space will also be good enough to carry luggage for family trips, shopping, or weekend getaways. Now let's talk about the most important part of any electric car, the battery and performance. The 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV is expected to come with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that will offer a range of around 400 to 500 kilometers on a single full charge, depending on driving conditions. This kind of range is perfect for daily city use as well as highway drives. You can easily use it for office commuting, school runs, and even long weekend trips without worrying too much about charging. The electric motor will deliver smooth and silent performance, which is one of the best things about EVs. The Urban Cruiser EV is expected to offer strong acceleration, making it quick in city traffic and fun to drive on open roads. Because electric cars deliver instant torque, you will feel the power as soon as you press the accelerator. This will make overtaking easy and driving more enjoyable. Charging will also be very convenient. The Toyota Urban Cruiser EV is expected to support fast charging, which means you can charge up to 80% in around 30 to 40 minutes using a DC fast charger. For home charging, you can use a normal wall box charger, which will take around 6 to 8 hours for a full charge. This makes it very easy to keep your car ready every day. Toyota is known for safety, and the Urban Cruiser EV will not disappoint in this area. The 2026 model is expected to come with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, and a strong body structure. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking may also be available in higher variants. These features will make driving safer and more relaxed, especially on highways and in heavy traffic. One of the biggest advantages of the Toyota Urban Cruiser EV will be its low running cost. Because it is electric, you do not have to spend money on petrol or diesel. Charging an EV is much cheaper compared to fuel, and maintenance costs are also lower because there are fewer moving parts. This means that over time, the Urban Cruiser EV will save you a lot of money, while also helping the environment by reducing pollution. In terms of competition, the Toyota Urban Cruiser EV will take on cars like the Tata Nexon EV, Mahindra XUV 400 EV, and upcoming electric SUVs from Hyundai and Maruti. However, Toyota's strong brand value, reliability, and after-sales service will give it an advantage. Many buyers trust Toyota for its long-lasting vehicles, and this trust will also play a big role in the success of the Urban Cruiser EV. The expected price of the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV in India could start from around 15 to 18 lakh rupees, making it a very attractive option in the electric SUV segment. With government subsidies and benefits for electric vehicles, the on-road price could become even more affordable for buyers. Overall, the Toyota Urban Cruiser EV 2026 looks like a perfect blend of style, technology, performance, and practicality. It is designed to meet the needs of Indian customers who want a modern electric SUV that is easy to drive, comfortable to sit in, and affordable to own. With its long range, fast charging, and Toyota reliability, this car is expected to become one of the top-selling electric SUVs in the country. So if you are planning to buy an electric car in the future, and you want something that offers good value, strong brand trust, and a premium feel, then the Toyota Urban Cruiser EV should definitely be on your list. It represents the future of driving in India, where cars are not only powerful and stylish, but also clean and environmentally friendly. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Cars 360 for more exciting car updates. We will keep bringing you the latest news, reviews, and upcoming car information. See you in the next video. Drive safe and stay connected.